Hello? Hello everyone and welcome to the live streaming. So, hello everyone and welcome to the live streaming. So here we are back again with the live streaming sessions. Let's go. I will start with the live streaming session. I will go through all of them step by step. I will comment it, what I do anticipate, and so on. So what I will do today I will erase everything and I want to start fresh. Alright, I will take off all the charting, all the drawings, and I will do it from the beginning. Total fresh chart is something that I would like to talk about. Alright, so let's get started. Remove drawings, everything off. I can leave this one, it's a bit messy. Couple of them. Oh, another one. There's been too much drawings already, so that's why I'll take everything off so we can start fresh from the beginning. I do that couple of times because it's better. You get much better view, you refresh your knowledge, and you keep on repeating. So sometimes it could even happen that if you redo your drawings, then he will see the total different direction. That has also happened to me. I did that and then I saw total different scenario. Yeah. It's fun. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Amazing drawings. This is what we were talking previous week also. So here we are with the dollar. I will start with the dollar. I would like to see what the dollar is doing, and then I can see and forecast the rest of the market, because I do believe that the dollar is the leader of economy. He's driving and leading the economy. So the dollar moves are connected with major pairs, and majors are connected with the cross currencies. So I always start with dollar. That's the main reason. I want to see and have a clear sense of direction where the dollar is going, and then I can easily forecast the major pairs, and then I can easily forecast the crosses. They are somehow connected. Oh, what I have just done. Okay, back. So DXY, DXY is still in this correction. Now the price is changing its direction. I think this is the wave to the downside now, and we will be heading to the downside. Something like this is very possible. So this leg lower minimum, or it will extend even lower and tag those lows. The price can also start heading to the upside, and then we will see a turn. So what I have to do, I have to be careful. Once the price will visit that low, I have to take into consideration and be much more careful than I am currently. Okay, so I should take some profits also. So if I watch now on 4 hour, look at that one, what we are currently having over there. The price is trying to break lower. It already braked this huge correction on 4 hour. Okay, so this correction has been broken, and the price now it's trying to correct over there. Once this correction is over, then we will start seeing this kind of the movement over there. So this is very important correction, because once it's completed, we will have an amazing move, and it's worth of taking it. All right, you have to trade it because it's a nice movement, so you shouldn't miss the money. Okay, this is where the money lies. This is what I will focus on this leg to downside. So what we have on lower time frame. Okay, so still correction, it's still building over there. This is the correction for the downside, because price will follow this impulse. So we will follow this impulse anytime to the downside. So we have to keep in mind, once the price will start breaking the downside, this is the sell setup. This is something what I will keep an eye over there. Can price go one more leg higher? Yes. The price can go one more leg higher over there, but it still will be the sell setup. Okay, so if this starts to struggle over there now and starts breaking up, this will still be one part of the correction downside. Okay, that it will just mean that this correction will take longer before it will start dropping, because of this one more leg higher. But now it's the spot where we have to keep an eye on it and see how it will plays out. Very important spot over there to watch. I think we will be breaking downside and correcting and dropping, correcting and dropping. Okay, so we will be keep on going, keep on dragging lower. So watch it, make sure you know how to trade it, and take this opportunity to the downside. I really do believe that this is about to go lower. If I as well put my fib over there, 270, but I think 618 it's much more reliable target. Okay, so this is the minimum. 270, I don't think only this will be hit, because structurally I do believe that there it will be bigger, longer movement than hitting 270. So that's why. Okay, so keep an eye there. This is your setup for sell. EURUSD based on DXY going lower. This one's heading to the upside. So let's go to daily. What this one's trying to do, this one is trying to go into the deeper pullback again, or one more leg higher. What it did already, it went up, it pulls back. So there is the correction that I'm waiting for, and now I do anticipate similar movement like I did have over there, at least back at the previous top over there. So something like this, very highly likely that it will going to happen. So this is my opportunity. This is where I have to place my focus on. This is what I will be trading over there. I will not just jump in the trade. I will definitely wait for setup to complete. Alright, so this is the pullback over there, as we can all see. 1 hour pullback, it's already in developing. Can it break lower? Yes, it can. So that's the reason why you shouldn't just jump in. Okay, so breaking the trend line doesn't mean you have to buy straight. Okay, don't just hit the buy button as soon as you see the chart is breaking to the upside. No, you need to have a confirmation. You need to see somewhere, you need to have a proof over there, or pullback. Okay, so wait for a pullback over there before getting into change. So how this will looks like, I have no idea. Well, once it will be completed, then I will see and I will take it into consideration if I should be buying this pullback. Alright, because price will always confirms, always. So make sure you're following the confirmation before getting into the trade. But definitely very good setup. Alright, at least back at the top. This will be the minimum, but I do believe it will go even further higher. 270, it's what I think we can aim, and then we can expect a deeper pullback. so something like that. And then there it will be deeper pullback, and then one more leg higher. Okay, pullback and then one more leg higher, something like that. It's very possible that we will see over there. Okay, keep an eye there today for this flag to the upside. Pound USD daily. This one is a little bit different. It's still in this. We are still in this huge daily correction. Now the question is, because when this is over, when this will start heading to the upside, because it has to, based on this, it has to go for the upside. Now the question is, will it go up and one more leg lower before up? We don't know yet. Let's see what the price is saying at the lower time frame. Okay, so this is the lower time frame correction. No, I think we will be heading to the upside. This is already trying to break high. This is the correction for more upside. That's not the sell. I don't believe that this is how sell looks like. Okay, so sell will not have a structure like that. Okay, it will be total different. It will not be even close to how it looks like right now. So I will be watching it for more upside over there. 1 hour. Yeah, I think this is just the pullback. I think that's just the pullback. And we will be heading to the upside. All right, so more upside it's possible over there. So I'm not currently interested, but once I will have a break and then I will have any setup, then I will become much more interested than I am currently. More euro dollar it's closer to start breaking the upside and confirm its move to the upside. Aussie USD, very fast movement. It's forward. Okay, so he's one step ahead. He's already breaking very high. So this is the correction we are currently having. I think anytime soon we will have this pullback to downside at least. This one still has a move to the upside. All right, still has a move to the upside. So let me see how far they can still go. Oh yeah, there is still the move. 270, it's not yet there because the impulse is a corrective structure and that can still go to 270 to hit this line, and then we will see downside. So we can be still buying it. Depends how it will develop for our. What do we have there? There was the slight pullback. Nice pullback was there. Very nice pullback triangle. Okay, those triangles are pushing higher now. And if we get any pullback now, we will take a trade as well. Okay, so if you're still not in, you could be still adding it. There will be still a chance to get in. Deep pullback, and then we will be adding more to it. 15 minutes, yeah. So yes, wait for our pullback, and then we'll take it. They always does the pullback. Okay, so they always go into the pullback. So they always go into the pullback. They will go. Can they go a little bit higher and then go? Yes. From where it will start, I have no idea. Okay, we have to be careful. But if you take any buy over there from where it is right now, I do recommend removing the profit earlier. All right, because if you were buying it today or yesterday, you were buying it pretty high, and that's the point where you should be taking profits already. Aussie USD went up today very nicely, and profits should be taken already, because anytime soon price will go into deep pullback and you will put your money back into the market. So that you don't do that. If you are in the profit, make sure you book some profit, because you shouldn't let the market pull back, take you out with all trades and break even wherever you were entering it. Okay, that shouldn't be taken out, and then buying it again in case if the price will give you the corrective structure or impulsive. That's something that it will visible later. Okay, once it is completed. So this is the reason why I don't hold the trades when the correction is about to happen, because any trade that I, for example, open here, I shouldn't risk my money, risk my profits for zero, okay? Because price can easily take me out, close those trades and break even and then go. So what I did this time was for free. I didn't take any money, and that's minus for me actually. I have to pay myself. I have to grow my account, and this is the reason why I should be taking profit instead of just holding it. Okay, take your money from the market. Don't let the market turn against you. It's not making sense, alright? You have to pay yourself. Who is going to pay you if you are not going to pay to yourself? Alright, news in USD still going higher. This one, it's in this huge correction. Daily has this correction, and now we are finally breaking. Because we are breaking, now the next move is 270 of this one. This structure, which you see already over there, has already happened on New Zealand CAD. Okay, so I will show you now the structure that's similar, but it's completed already. It's New Zealand CAD. Look at that one. You see? Very similar. Once it starts to go, they just go and go and go. Look at that one. Okay? And more to come. Same there. Breaking all those highs. It's something that we will have over there. But exactly this small piece, it's on EURUSD right now. Look at that one. EURUSD is something like this right now happening. Okay, so if I will, not EURUSD, USD. No, wait. New Zealand USD, right? Yeah. New Zealand USD, and this picture, it's 4-hour New Zealand CAD, right? Yes. Look at that one. This exactly the same, and I will erase this one so it will not confuse you. This one is on New Zealand USD right now. It's breaking up and it will go. Alright, it will go at least 270 target. It's something that we will tag. Okay, look at that one, perfectly and nicely tagged. So that's similar in structure. You can learn something. Alright, you can learn something, but this is daily. Okay, so what you can anticipate over there, we will anticipate the pullbacks and then still go pullback and still go. 270 will be my target. This is something where what I will be aiming over there. Euro Aussie, great breakdown, made my week sales on top. Perfect. Very well done. Good job. So News and USD, what you can do, you can still watch for pullback and then you will be buying it. Alright, so how far, where I can expect a pullback? I think I can expect pullback very soon. Anytime soon over there we will be having deeper pullbacks that can go even that much. Even that much. 1 hour, I wouldn't be buying it anymore. This has to go now into the pullback. If you're already in, watch for taking profit. Price will anyway, but it's very aggressive. I don't think it will go right away into the deep pullback because it has to slow down first. Price has to slow down first, and then it will go into this kind of the pullback before going to the upside. 15 minutes, yes. Very aggressive movement. Very aggressive, and these are the very nice pullbacks. This was the running flat. Look at that one. An amazing running flat over there, and the price is heading to the upside now. That works. That works. Perfect. USD CAD, I think this one's going nicely to the downside. This was the correction for more downside. This one has completed and break the top. and now the price is trying to reverse. What the price will do over there, I think there's missing one part of the structure. This will go tag the low. That's what I do believe. This will go tag the low, and then to go up, tag the high, and then we will be heading to the downside again. Alright? But if you're already in the cells, you can take these cells, but try to take profit over there in case if you are already in this cell. If you took that cell, 15 million, there was a couple of cells over there. So make sure you remove your profit before the market will go back at the top, back at this top again, because it will be there. I think it will be there for this week, struggle over there in this sideways, and then it will continue its way to the downside as soon as it will be over. Yeah. Even this one's possible, but I don't believe in this deeper pullback. All right, I don't think we will have something like this and then going lower. No, I don't think so, but it could happen, but I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I'm much more for this option, but we will see. We will see which one will appear on the market. I shouldn't predict it. I should watch it, because the price will show once it will be over. But definitely, this is the move to the downside. Daily. Yes, this is the downside. And now, how far this can go? Very deep. 270 is far away. But it will not go without deeper pullbacks again, of course. This has to correct over there. This will correct over there, definitely. Something will appear over there. It will be either this one, or it will be either that one. One of them will happen. 1 hour or 4 hours, and then we will be breaking to the downside. So very, very good. Very, very good setup to trade. To keep an eye on it. Pound cat, bear with me. I will be there on pound cat very soon. Very shortly. You know what I will do? I will go step by step, because if I don't go step by step on the currencies, then it could happen that I will miss something. So I would really love to go step by step to go through all the market, so in case I will not skip anything. And then if I don't have the pair added on my watch list, then we can add it and I will comment it for you. Aussie cat has more potential for upside. Guess we'll see. Just let's go quicker. I'll just delete this one. Maybe I'm trying too much. Alright, so yeah, let's see what this one's going to do. USD Chief, same there. This is the pullback. There's another pullback, and these to go downside. How far? At least back at this low, I think. Very good movement can happen over there. Smaller movement, I don't think, but yes, we have to take into consideration this one, and then we'll see what the price will do over there. Currently it's behaving very nice, very good, but it can be much bigger, because this is the pullback. It will go up and then go up, so it could struggle over there. Keep in mind. But downside is something that I will aim. Gold up, buy, definitely a buy. Still buying. I don't know where this is heading to. I don't know how far this will go, but one more buy is definitely happening over there. This is the buy. It could be as well a deeper pullback. This could go do something like this, going up. Be careful over there, because this could be correction, and then one more leg lower, and then can go up again, and then fast downside, and then we will be heading to the upside. So be aware, so make sure you know how you have to trade over there. Be careful if you are trading in there the gold, but definitely you can take a buy. You see how this will go. I think this is a nice pullback, very short, but you have to be careful. Price can do this, and then it can break and extend to one more leg higher, but it will not be big movement. Or the price can touch the trend line and start breaking lower, and then it can go correctively up, and then one more leg lower, and then it will go higher. So keep in mind this view over there. What I have just done. Oh, that was that. Okay, so this is something that you can keep an eye. Silver. One more leg higher, but this will be fast. Fast move up and then return to the downside. Very, very, very small move. It's something that we are waiting there. Yes. This is something we are currently having over there. Breakthrough and continuation, but not much there, and then we will be turning to the downside. It's even possible that we will then go much, much, much deeper. For now, nothing big, nothing huge. All right. Pound. Pound is still there where we were talking about. It's in this correction. This is the pullback. Oh, come on. This is the pullback, but how it's currently behaving, it's very, very strange. Because if it goes up, it will tag the top and then it can go in the sideways. So 1 hour. Come on. 1 hour. Tags went into the 1 to 3 pullback. Interesting one, let's say. It's going very slow. I wouldn't take trade over there, so fuck that shit. Euro already at the top. Make sure you are consider by taking some profits away. We are at the top, you see, everyone. So this is where you should be taking some profits away from it. Okay, we are very, very high with it. It will go anytime to the downside. This structure will go downside. I think the yen has already reached the top. I don't believe this is about to continuously push forward. I think this better to not trade anymore. Take profits, and we will be taking these trades now to the downside. So prepare yourself for the sell stop. Check weekly candle. Where? Which weekly candle are we watching? US 30. Yes, we will also watch US 30. I'm trying to speed up a little bit. So sell setup over there at GBPN. We basically can go up. Yes, it can, but I do not trade it. This is good one now to start changing its direction. CAD as well. A little bit higher. Can it go? Yes, this can go a little bit higher. It can extend. This still looks like it's losing its momentum, right? Impulse correction. Alright, so if I will flip this one, still has some more room. I think they will tag it, and then we will be changing the direction. Alright, so this is the last push to the upside over there, and then we will be going downside. Possible movement. Anyway, this is the point of the chart, and a discipline which you have to have from your strategy. You shouldn't have your strategy open in case that if you want to take a sell, you can just click a sell. No, you have to protect yourself from this kind of aggressiveness. Your strategy needs to protect you from clicking the trade instantly. You should always wait for the setup to complete before you will be taking trades. All right, for example, there it will go down. Yes, can take the sell. No, you cannot have rules that you can press the sell, put your stop loss there, or wherever you put your stop loss, and then take a sell. No, this is not the strategy. Then this is based on luck, on assumption. You shouldn't trade like that. You need something mechanical. You need some signs. You need some proofs on the market, so it will tells you when you can sell. All right, this will go into the pullback. Now it's very possible, and then it will go higher. Like I said, I still believe this 270 target will be hit. Aussie yen. This one went pretty much. Whoa. This one's a monster. Very, very, very high in movements. Okay, let's keep going. I've nothing to connect with. No structure, literally. So this can go down anytime soon. Be careful. We will have a correction. Yeah, we are very, very high in the structure, so that can go down anytime soon. Can drop one more up and then to start going low. No, not definitely buying anymore. That's it. That's it. New Zealand yen. Same there. Very, very, very high in the structure. So if you are, in case if you're in the buy, take some profit away. These charts shouldn't change or turn without you and take your money away. All right, so this is the sell that's about to happen in the upcoming days. All right, so watch it. Watch 15 minutes or one hour and then trade, right? Don't just take a sell. This will not be the trading if you just take a sell. I'll even take off this one so it will not bother me. Yeah, very nice. Very nice setups for sell over there. Once they will start to appear. How you trade these currency pairs on top levels, all-time highs? I think February month will be selling month. I don't trade anymore. If I do find the setup, for example, if I find the buy, I take a buy over there. And this buy, it's not long term. For example, if I take a buy somewhere there, okay, if I take this buy, and if I take this buy, then I will not hold it longer than this one. Okay, so this is where my taking profit area is. That's it. I will take any profit wherever I have it. I will take it. I do not anticipate it to go even further higher. If they go, fuck it, I will not have it. But if they pull back once again, if I get the pullback, I will take a buy again, and then maybe there once it will extend, it will be 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk evaluation, and I'm taking off my profits. So we'll definitely not hold over them, not long-term positions if I decide. But as it is so high, I will not take it. I don't like to buy anymore. There yes, yes, but at the top no more. I'm not interested anymore to be a buyer over there on those yen pairs. Okay, so any of them, it's not looking good, not looking great. I would wait for sell. Very, very nice price action before taking the sell. I ain't gonna just click a sell because I think that the market it's about to go lower. Okay, that's something that I'm very, very, very specific and disciplined about. I never just jump in the trade. New Zealand cat, this one as well, it will go into the deeper pullback. We've been tracking it, trading it, but now I don't see anything. I will just leave it, so don't trade it over there. Market is about to go into the pullback, so we'll see what the price will do. Target is reached, everything is perfect, so that's it. Pullback over there, and then we may have something. All right, so this move over there, very possible before we will be heading higher or continuously pushing higher. They always does, all right? They always does. For example, over there, look at that one. Once they break, they pull back. So there is no question of it. Will it pull back? It will definitely. This will pull back anytime soon, and then it will be pushing higher and higher. Don't buy anymore. News Aussie Chief. Uh, is that a sell? Daily. This was correction 1, 2, 3, 270 can be tagged easily, yes. So this one still can go up, but I see correction and pullback needs to happen. Was this everything? Yes, maybe. I think there will be deeper one. I think one more pullback there and then up. So not trading it here. I wouldn't take a trade over there, so just keep it. Not trade for me. Euro Aussie going lower and lower. This looks like a correction. So anytime soon we will have a pullback, or it will go through that and into the deeper pullback. We reach the bottom, we tag the low. 270 still in place, so we can still sell if we get the sell set up. What is it doing over there? Okay, this one can go now into the pullback, but not this week. Okay, so this pullback, once it will be completed and over, I will take a sell and I will be trading it to 270 back. This is something what I will take into consideration, but not without having a decent pullback. Okay, no pullback. It's something without pullback I'm not interested. So definitely I need a pullback before taking trades. So many trades are there, not ready yet. Here New Zealand. Okay, just a second. He tagged the 270. If this wants to continuously push lower, we need to have a correction now. It's time for a correction right now. So anytime soon we will see this start pulling back. And then we will be selling it more. So can I buy? No, I definitely wouldn't buy over there. Just wait for this decent pullback to appear, and then you will be selling it. Next week we will sell this one. Okay, because without having a pullback we cannot just trade over there. We need to have a pullback. We cannot sell the breakout. Okay, so breakout, it's not a strategy. Okay, I'm not taking sells because I have a break of trend line. This is not my strategy, and this is not valid reason to sell it. Pound Aussie, same there. This went pretty nicely. We can go anytime back at the top. So this move is very possible to start happening over there. Either a pullback or either a reversal. Something of that will happen over there. Very possible that we are at the bottom. We are making a low now. We are trying to make a low. And then we will be heading one more leg higher. weekly. This is very corrective movement. Very corrective. I think we will start pulling back anytime soon. No trade setup currently. If you were trading sells, okay, great. Okay, this was pullback for sell. Now you cannot trade anymore. We were selling it, but now it's completed. We were selling it from there. I took profits way earlier. Here, this is where I took my profits. So, but never mind. Now I will be watching for buy setups over there. This will take probably next week. Next week we will have a pullback over there. Pullback is something that I don't anticipate right now. Pound New Zealand. Drop, pullback, drop. It's about to go up again, I think. This is very corrective in structure. So this has to go up now. This to start pushing higher. Alright, so very possible movement. This move over there. EURUSD. We are still in this corrective structure. We break the low over there. So let's take a look. I think this one is going to go lower. I think this is going to go lower. This is going lower and then we will see. I don't think it will break lower. But this has a big chance to tag in this trend line. Impulse, correction, impulse. It can even go lower. Tag those lows and then it can turn to the upside, possible. Buy setup, I don't see buying it over there. I wouldn't buy it, not yet, maybe tomorrow. But for now, confusing one. Pound CAD. We are about to go lower. This is pretty much corrective structure. We have an impulse. This is not a correction, and we are heading to the downside. We are heading to the downside right now. This is a solid correction. Okay, so we have to keep in mind how this will be developing over there. But I think this is the 4-hour correction. It can get much deeper. This can get like this, and then we will have a sell over there. It will take a little bit longer to develop. So next week definitely. This week there isn't any setup on it. Okay, much of them are for next week. Many of them are for next week. Euro GBP, this one thing is going to go lower. That's very corrective looking structure. This one leg lower. 1 hour, nothing yet. Alright, I think this is the second wave of the correction. This is the A, this will be the B, whatever it does, and then C, and then we'll see what the price is about to do. Yeah, not looking great currently. I have to untag all of them. Pound Chief. think this one can go higher. We are pullbacking, and I think this is the correction. This is the correction, I think. And we are going at least to 270, then we will see the drop. I think this will be the move. Alright, so let's take a look on lower time frame. It's trying to pull back, whatever it does. We have to watch this one. We have to watch this pullback over there. This looks like an impulse. Very strong. And now continuation to 270, it's possible. Where was the 270? Oh gosh. That would be my target, yes. This can start going up, so it could be nice movement, yes. We will watch it definitely. This is good setup to watch. Today, tomorrow, I don't know, one of these days will be interested for it. Your chief. We're still in the downside movement as it looks like. It is going lower, and then we will see. It can even extend over the downside, so it can break through. Something like that, very possible. Or it will do a sideways movement, correction, pulling up there, and then it will take a move to downside. One of them will happen. So keep an eye there. 15 minutes is something that you can monitor, definitely. And yeah, this is the small movement, but be careful over there at the previous low. Can go even higher from there. Maybe it can go, yeah. Then this has to be a pullback, and we'll see, yes, if it starts to breaking higher and giving us the flex setups or pullbacks, it can start away. But I don't think, I think we'll hit the ground. I think we'll hit the ground. How much trades did I do this week? I think 6 of them. Your chief, so yeah. Cat chief. What do we have over there? I think this will be the buy setup. Look at that one. It's nice, but I don't think we are going downside over there. This looks like a impulse. 270, very possible to be tagged. Can it go deeper? Yes, it can go deeper. Let's see for our possible. There's not any buy setup currently. We don't have any buy yet. There is small buy building, but I don't think that this will take us far away. This can just go up, tag the trend line, and then going back down again. Possible. This can go up, and then I don't think it will break. I don't think. Can go lower. I don't. No, I think it will go for one more leg higher. Very possible movement. This is the impulse. This is the pullback, tagging the trend line, even crossing it, and then it will go for one more leg higher, and then it will start breaking lower, and then it will go lower. That's how I see it. But I don't believe it will break through and out of this structure. I think it will go like this. This will be something that I do believe. Yeah, very possible. From the bottom, that would be great. Good as well to watch. This one can start extended higher from there and then up. But definitely there you will need a pullback, okay? So not just buying it, it will need to go up, pull back, and then you will buy. This is how you trade it, okay? So definitely not buying there. You have to be buyer earlier, and when you are at the trend line, you shouldn't be buyer over there at the trend line. You need to have a pullback before buying it. Okay, keep that in mind. Aussie New Zealand. What this one is trying to do? What this one's trying to do? Trying to go up. But this will be just one quick buy probably. And this one can go higher. Tag there, going there, and then going down. Possible movement. Because this is very strong impulsive move. So that's the reason why I do believe that this one will go one more leg higher. So not ready yet. Aussie cat. Very high in the structure. We are at the top of the channel. And then we are about to start going lower. I don't believe that this will go higher. Let's see. Yeah, this can be as well. Completed structure. But the problem is this one, because as it stands right now, how it looks like. This one can go up, but not without having a decent pullback over there. We need to have a pullback before going for this move to the upside. So I anticipate now this kind of the structure. Something like this before heading upside. We will see. Not definitely not. This is for next week. Definitely not tradable currently. What I just did already. This was the misclick on other screen. UK oil. This webinar is now taking a little bit longer because I erase everything from the chart and I start from the scratch. This one's going lower. We will be heading to the downside. If you were there in the past weeks, when chart was there, I draw correction like this. So what happens? What is there? exact correction that we anticipated. So this is the power. Once you understand it, you can forecast it. And once you can forecast it, you can trade it. If you have the strategy, of course. You need to have a strategy. You need to have enough good rules so you will be able to trade this one. But definitely look at that one. Very, very good one. This is the move that I will be waiting for. Or at least something like this. But I don't think it will stop over there. This will be 270, 618 probably. Minus 618. Yeah. This will be the minimum. So this move is good now. We just have to see once this is completed. We need to complete this one. 15 minutes, nothing yet there. But we have to let it do whatever it wants to do. Maybe it will correct a little bit more and then it will drop. Yep, good movement. Good movement. Sell, definitely. Good for watching oil. Same there, this one. US oil is the similar one. I think they are all good looking for a sell. Oil is very, very, very low. That will have to go upside anytime soon. See this one? It's dying out. The momentum of sell is dying out slowly, but it still has this kind of sell stops. Downside, right? Nothing yet as well there. Maybe today, tomorrow, this will be the setup. We will see. Keep an eye on both of UK and US. They could be on the watch list. US 500. There is the downside, but how it's falling. Oh yeah, this is the pullback probably. This is the pullback, I think. We will lose the momentum over there. I don't think that the price will extend one more leg higher. I think this is all. I don't think. I think this is everything. We'll see this one. I think we can go lower over there. It's already starting something, so we will see. We will monitor that one. It can go lower for sure. So watching it. Maybe I'll watch this one. We'll see if there will be any confirmation. US 30, US 30, same there. I don't believe this is the buy setup. It's strong reacting. I don't know yet. I need more information from the candles, from the chart. It's currently hard to say what it will do, but if this will be the sell, it will go down, and then it will give you the confirmation anyway. So don't be too fast for selling it. Don't just try to be the first on this planet who will guess where the market will move. You don't need to guess anything. You just have to wait and watch. Alright, so keep that in mind when you're trading. I learned a lot from this because I started focusing on trades when they were not ready yet. I started to push it. I was too aggressive, becoming too aggressive and less profitable. So once you are aggressive on the wrong spots, when you're trying to guess where the high is, where the low is, this is where you will have the most problems, because it's easier when you see the momentum is already rolling and then getting into the trades. All right, so make sure you don't do this kind of mistake. Yeah, this one can be interested for one more like dollar. Yeah, right. But what we need, this is the perfect sign. Oh, this is not the right tool. This is a perfect sign. Now we need a pullback, and we will be selling it. All right. Don't jump in without pullback. Look at that one. Don't jump in without the pullback. Look at it. Isn't that perfect? So exact similar scenario. This is what you are waiting over there. This is your confirmation. You want to have a pullback. If you don't wait for this kind of pullbacks, you will have a long journey with trading. You will be losing a lot before you will start understanding that you need confirmations on your chart before getting in the trades. Because if you get in and if it is not confirmed, that means the price can just go aggressive back up, take you out on break even or even a stop loss, and then you're wasting your force, you're wasting your energy, you're wasting your focus. And that's the point. You're not pushing on proper spots. So wait for the pullback before you will start getting into the trade. This is the good sign now, yes. This is now the good sign. Make sure you're controlling your emotions. Control it. That would be amazing. Tomorrow movement, yes? This will be tomorrow movement. I will take off this one. This would be amazing, like it did over there. Look at that one. It's just the copy-paste example. You couldn't learn better than this. This is your learning example over there. Look at that one. I can even copy-paste it. The whole move. The whole movement can be copied. Look at that one. This is how you trade it. Exact trading cycle. It's always repeat over and over and over and over again. Just follow it. Follow that concept and the market will just flow to you. Money will just flow to you. Because what's the problem? If you jump there, if you are egoistic trader, you will be there and there with entries, wherever you are grabbing it, even if from there. So what will happen? You will be very nervous, you will be constantly watching the chart where it will move, but at any time soon it will take you out for nothing with one single candle, and then it will go again, you will start jumping in, and then you will think it's going, and then bang, it will take you out again, you will start selling again, and it will take you out in. You will be wasting your time, because before this will drop, it will do this, and then it will drop. Okay, so it wouldn't change the direction without confirmation. It just simply can't. Or it will happen in the 2-3%, 5% maximum, and that's it. But don't chase the market. Don't get in without having a confirmation, because you are wasting your time and money. You will be staring at the screen for the whole day if you're trying to grab and catch those kind of the movements. And they will be erased. Okay, these candles can be erased in a couple of hours. So you waste your time and day for nothing to catch something that will retrace very fast, because it's not yet confirmed to continue its way to the downside. So that's the most important way to understand. You have to understand this, because you won't be profitable enough until you get this point. Market doesn't move before it confirms. Okay, it doesn't. It moves couple of pips, but every move will be retraced. It will retrace very soon. Sooner or later you will be out with your trade. It cannot move without it. So I cannot stress enough this, how important it is if you want to learn, if you want to start making money for a living. If not, then try it. You'll see how many times you will see that you are getting in and it reverses, getting in, it reverses. It will be constantly reversing, and it will kill you. Anytime soon you will lose the patience. You will even give up on trading if you're not stubborn enough. Anyway, you will end with this kind of the concept that I'm trying to teach you, to present to you. This one, what this one is doing? Downside, definitely. This is going to be the downside as well. So yes, I think all the indexes are going to downside. How far is the question? At least this one. That would be the minimum move that we can get and have. Very possible movement, yeah. Very possible movement. Wait for the pullback, wait for something, let it confirm that's going to go lower, and then take a trade. All right. Very good moves. Very good moves. Skip that one. I don't know what this one's trying to do. This one is the ugliest one. Don't trade that one. I wouldn't trade that one. Skip it. Bitcoin. We are in the very big downside movement. We are going down. This was the correction. Everything is completed. And I think this is trying to go now into the deeper pullback, right? So this over there, 270, very possible, and then going downside. This is the downside market. I don't believe that Bitcoin will go upside anymore. We will be heading downside. Something like this is very possible. And then, of course, where is your target? Your target is way lower, at least that previous low. Okay, this is the minimum. So very good way, very good move. It's about to happen over there. Okay, so keep in mind over there that this is a great sell. I'm presenting to you a very good setup. Very good setup, which will not go without confirmation, right? So this will go. You don't need to trade this one. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Let it happen. Because this is the AB equals CD, right? So 1, 2, 3. This will be the correction that's about to happen, and then we will be heading to the downside. Good trade anyway. Good trade. So monitor it. All right, monitor it. That's it, Zari. I will not watch this one anymore. It's too much. Okay, so that's it. Very good setups. Keep an eye. Oh, nice. DXY is going lower, so we will have a very good move to the downside probably today. This will continue its way to the downside. Euro dollar, buy it more. Okay, so you can start watching for buys. You can start watching for buy. That's it. I think this is the movement. This is the movement we will have probably today and tomorrow. And this one continuously going higher. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. 270 at least till tomorrow. This is the minimum that you can get out of the trade. But I think it will further push higher. So this is it. I will end the webinar over there. Trades are amazing. Dollar, it's again what I will be focusing on. Dollar, it's my priority currently. This going upside, wonderful. So keep an eye, right? So take care, enjoy your day, make sure you're patient, watch the setups, stay patient, stay focused, don't jump in without confirmation, and that's it. Take care and enjoy your day, everyone. Bye bye.